to paint those good-looking faces like comic style. Yeah, today we're gonna be focusing on how about applying the base color, how about applying a base shadow, how about doing some highlights, and not only that, the special blush effect that everybody loves. But not many people talk about the blush. We like the blush. Let's talk even more about the blush. So hit a like and subscribe. Not only this drawing have been already done in another YouTube tutorial, and this video you're going to see how to paint it, how to make a great painting here. First things first, you're gonna be using a reference. And I need to say so many times, why not use reference? Use a reference. Use color picker. I don't know, go crazy. Go on Google and say like comic, good looking characters. Just that. And you're gonna see some kind of image that you really enjoy, and you're gonna be like, yeah, that's going to be my reference. Use that as a reference. No trouble. I'm using this comic right here as a reference that I have never read my entire life. Here, Alfred, go read. I have already selected some colors to start painting here. And it's extremely important that you have some colors already selected. Because if you don't have some colors already selected, well, you cannot be taking like all the colors from your imagination like, hey, I'm going to make this color, when you're already just going to add the base color like I did here. Everyone can do that, that's pretty simple. And you go crazy like, let's go into random yellow. Why you choose this yellow? I'm making you think, I know, I'm making you think, but that's something necessary. If you really want to go like, hey, what is my main goal? Where do I want to get with that? Because sometimes you start with a random color and then you go like, well, that's not what I wanted. Well, because you didn't really have a specific reference and a specific color palette. This is my line art. I recommend when you are starting out, name your layers, okay? Do you see what I did here? No. Name your layers. Here, now we have a base color, which looks amazing, and a line art layer, which also looks amazing. I'm going to select few specific places. How am I going to select those places? I'm going to use Magic Wand or just press W on your keyboard. And if it doesn't select for you Magic Wand, just click here and go to Magic Wand. Pretty simple. Back on line art layer, I start selecting that. It's pretty much just a base. I'm going back to my base layer. Ctrl H to hide the selection. Press G for bucket tool. And now I'm going to paint the hair using my hair color. Okay, my hair color. Use your hair color. Click. And this is probably what's going to happen to you first time painting. And you're gonna be like, why is that me? And it's fine, okay? It's fine. Yeah, now I'm going to remove my selection by pressing Ctrl D. Remove it. There are some ways that you can just fix this thing right here. You can go and paint, which is a good way. Also, it's a good way to solve that. Not gonna lie, it's good. You can just go right? And another way also is just you just pick your bucket tool and then you click, and then you click, and then you click. You keep on clicking. It's infinite. You keep on clicking. It never ends. You keep on clicking. But be careful to not go too far away from the... You see that? It's painting the skin. We don't want the skin being painted. The name of this character was inspired in many years of deep thinking, deep knowledge accumulated through the years. It made me notice that the name of this character is subscribed. after you do the bases, you're not going to already create the layer of shadow or light. No. You are going to create a layer of gradient. I learned that pretty recently, not gonna lie. So right now, I'm going to press Ctrl and Alt and keep on holding that. Hold that strong. And between your new layer and your base, it's going to appear a new symbol. And you click on that, wow, you created a mask. A mask is the most precious thing. It's so important. It's really important because it doesn't let you paint outside of your base. And that's what we want. Right now on my base layer, I'm going to get back into my magic wand and I'm going to select the skin. Simple job, right? I selected the skin. I'm going to hide the selection. Here, simple. And now I'm going to use this color right here that I know that it's the blush gradient. Do you see this? You see this? Do you see that? Yeah, you see this. We apply the gradient. Now you make a gigantic brush, 0 hardness. You want to be gentle and soft. Press F5, activate your transfer. Yeah, you're right, activate the transfer. Yeah, and now if you paint, yeah, we have this. If I go here and lower my opacity, look what happened. Wow, much more soft and gentle. I like, you do not need to do that, but I like doing shoulders a little bit reddish, just a little bit. But there is a more simple way to do that. I'm showing how to do that on brush. You could just pick your bucket tool, change it to gradient tool, and just do this. But it could be select everything because I removed the selection. So, do this. Yeah, pretty much. Take out the multiply mode gaps. Here, do this. Yeah, pretty much. And that's something that is going to save you a lot of time. You don't need to just pick your brush and make it big and soft. No, you just pick this tool right here and go crazy and schwa. That's it. Here on line art, I'm going to lock my layer clicking here. Now I'm only able to paint inside of my line art. Do you see this? I can only paint inside. So when I'm painting inside, I gotta go like, a strong color from here. And start gentle, soft, gentle and soft, and start painting that, okay? Right now you can see my layer is multiplying. I already know this is the color of the shadow, but of course I'm not going to apply that there right now. And sometimes your shadow gonna be very dark and you're gonna be like, why? It doesn't make sense. Keep the strong shadow. I'm gonna be showing you a trick that doesn't let the shadow keeping that strong and that harsh. Okay, keep the strong shadow. Don't mind about it right now. That's the thing that we want in life. To draw cute girls. Yeah. Hit a like and subscribe. So right now, remember that I told you guys that I was going to show how to fix those very dark shadows that we did right now? I'm going to show that right now. First of all, you pick your layer and then you just lock it. Yeah, you lock it, and then you change the color that you're working here to white. Yeah, white. You're gonna see why. You're gonna see why white. Now you pick and make your brush pretty big and soft. Yeah, pretty big and soft. And don't go crazy already applying. No. You lower your opacity first, okay? You lower your opacity. Or you can just go crazy and apply transfer. I prefer to just go here and lower my transfer. Do you see this? Yeah. We are getting the shadows much more soft and gentle. These are eyes that are taken by shadows. See? More bright. You gotta not take the shadows too much. To ask you guys, do you notice how many times I just go like, hey, I'm checking my reference, I'm checking my reference, I'm checking my reference? It's really important that you're always checking to, hey, like, am I going the right direction? I always do that. When I was doing this artwork, I was like every single time just looking at my references. Like here, I was like, hey, does this look like him? Yeah. Does it remind of a lion? Is it really following a lion? Yes. Is the sword looking like a sword? Is the sword really looking like the sword? Or the pose? Is the pose really with what I wanted? Is the background? So that's why I recommend using reference. Reference can help us so much in life. Of course, we love some blur. We enjoy blur. We are a little bit addicted to blur. I believe I have been 0 days without using blur. It's a huge addiction that I cannot control. I need help, I know, but a blur. Right now I'm going to use my amazing lasso tool. Right now, here we're gonna do some small selection, okay? We're gonna be doing some selection right here. Using lasso tool, you're gonna be selecting like a line that's a little bit curved. Just a little bit, okay? Hide your selection. Hide it. Hide it. And then if I already showed it. Okay, lower your opacity to like 10%. Wow, that looks amazing. That you look good, girl. You look good. You look good, girl. This tutorial helped you so much. Why not gather even more content on our channel right here on YouTube? We have a full playlist with free tutorials. Full playlist with free tutorials for you, for your dog, for your husband, for your mother, for everybody. We share a lot about how to draw people, how to draw animals, how to draw food, how to draw water. That's important, okay? We gotta need water. That's it, how to draw water. So check out the playlist, we have everything that you need here in this channel. And if you want even more content, why not check out our Gumroad for a huge, gigantic list of tutorials. I don't know how big that is, but it just keep on growing. Or our Patreon, because you want to support the cause of this channel. Woo! You enjoy this crazy thing that we are doing here. So thank you very much for watching, champ, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.